Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of dreams, more specifically, lucid dreams. Lucid dreaming is the ability to recognize your dreaming and even control the dream. Imagine having adventures, confronting your fears, or even rehearsing for real-life events, all while you sleep. Intriguing, right? So, let's explore the top 10 techniques to help you experience lucid dreams. Dream journal. First up is keeping a dream journal. This is essential for improving your dream recall and recognizing dream patterns. The more in touch you are with your dreams, the more likely you are to become lucid in them. Reality checks. Next, we have reality checks. These are techniques to train your brain to recognize when you're dreaming. During the day, question your reality and perform small tests like trying to push your finger through your palm or checking if text changes when you look away and look back. Mnemonic induction of lucid dreams. MILD. Thirdly, we have a method called MILD, short for mnemonic induction of lucid dreams. This involves repeating a mantra as you fall asleep, such as, "I will remember that I am dreaming," which plants the idea into your subconscious. Wake back to bed, WBTB. Moving on, we have the wake back to bed technique, or WBTB. This involves waking up after about 5-6 hours of sleep, staying awake for a short period, then going back to sleep. This method increases your chances of entering a lucid dream as it often leads to direct entry into the REM sleep stage, where vivid dreaming occurs. Improve dream awareness. Next, you need to enhance your dream awareness. Be more mindful of your surroundings during the day. This increased awareness can translate into your dreams, making it easier to realize when you're dreaming. Use visualization techniques. Visualization techniques can also be very effective. As you're falling asleep, try to visualize a recent dream and see yourself becoming aware within it. This can condition your mind to achieve lucidity in your actual dreams. Meditation and mindfulness. Practicing regular meditation and mindfulness can improve your self-awareness, focus, and ability to remember your dreams, all of which are beneficial for lucid dreaming. Dream-induced lucid dreams, DILD. Another method is dream-induced lucid dreams, or DILD. This is when you become lucid during a dream, often triggered by noticing something strange or impossible, which signals to you that you're dreaming. Maintain lucidity. Once you're lucid, the goal is to maintain that state. Techniques to stabilize the dream include rubbing your hands together, spinning around, or shouting, "I'm dreaming," in your dream. Set intentions. Lastly, set clear intentions. Decide what you want to do in your lucid dream. This will give you a purpose when you become lucid and make your dreams more meaningful and interesting. So, there you have it. 10 effective techniques to help you start lucid dreaming. Remember, these techniques may take some time and practice to master, so be patient with yourself. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more intriguing insights into the mind. Happy dreaming, and we'll see you in the next video.